Welcome back mga katrese. So today we're gonna feature top foods or top dishes to try here in Osaka. Osaka is called the Japan's kitchen, for this is where you can find the finest ingredients that locals and professional chefs use for cooking. This city also played a major role in Japan's food culture until the present time. So without further ado, here's the top list of must-try food when you visit this awesome city. First on our list is rice curry. It is influenced by Indian culture and now considered as Japan's national dish. Next on our list is sushi. When you think of Japanese food, first thing that comes on your mind is sushi or sashimi. Japan is known for having the best raw seafood preparation. There was a time in Japan that meat was forbidden. That's why they specialize in seafood so much. It was just recently that the culture began changing and they are able to accept eating meat such as pork and beef. Next on our list is onigiri or Japanese rice balls, usually wrapped with nori seaweed and containing a meat or vegetable filling. Next one is bento. It is a single portion takeout or home-packed meal common in Japanese cuisine and other Asian cultures where rice is the main staple food. A traditional bento holds rice or noodles, fish or meat with pickled and cooked vegetables in a box. Next on our list is kushikatsu. It is a Japanese dish of deep-fried skewered meat and vegetables. They have different varieties like chicken, pork, seafood, vegetables, and even desserts. The next one is the famous takoyaki of Japan. It is a Japanese snack in the shape of little round balls containing pieces of octopus and some vegetables. Next on our list is okonomiyaki. It is a savory version of Japanese pancake made with flour, eggs, shredded cabbage, meat, and topped with variety of condiments. Next on our list is crab kamaboko. It is a mild Japanese fish cake with a real crab taste. Next on our list is yakisoba. It is a classic Japanese stir-fry noodle dish with pork and vegetables. It is seasoned with a sweet and savory sauce similar to Worcestershire sauce. Next on our list is ramen. It is a very popular noodle soup in Japan that is originally Chinese-style noodles, and it has been changed and improved over the years in Japan. And last on our list is melon pan. It is a type of sweet bun that was invented in Japan and visually resembles a melon. It's crispy on the outside and fluffy inside. So that was it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Kindly hit like and share this video, and see you again on our next travel and food vlog. Peace!